Hello and welcome to the lab exercise of the course Aquaculture. My name is Lubna Yasmin and I am teaching assistant and a research scholar under the supervision of Professor Muhammad Afzal Khan. Today we are going to perform a practical exercise whose objective is to collect the hard structures from the fish and determine its age. Most commonly, the hard structures used for age readings are opercular bone, scales, otoliths, vertebrae, pectoral spines. This fish is Channa punctata, commonly called as soli. It is easily available in the local fish market and also commercially sold by the local fishermen. For performing this exercise, we have to need some basic equipments like bone cutter to remove the skull bone, scissor to make incisions, needle to locate the cavity, and forceps to remove or collect the hard structures. We also need the watch glasses, cavity blocks for collection and putting the hard structures. Firstly, we will start from the scale. For the collection of the scale, the region above the lateral line and below the dorsal fin here are selected for the removal of the scale. Gently, with the help of the forceps, pluck the scales and collect it into the watch glass. About 8 to 10 scales should be collected. Now, next we will remove the opercular bone. This is the opercular bone. We have to collect it. Simply, one can use the hand to detach the opercular bone, or also incision may be made to detach it with the scissor or bone cutter. But I have collected with the hand. These are the opercular bones. Now, moving to the otolith and vertebrae. For collection of the otolith, we have to dissect the fish. Otoliths are the ear stone present in the internal ear of the fish. So, we are going to make the incision here, just above the eye, to remove the skull area, skull bone, to expose the brain. Look, we have exposed the brain. This is the brain of the fish. As the brain is exposed, now we will remove the brain to locate the positions of the otoliths. Clear it with the tissue so that the otoliths can be visible. As we can see, this calcareous structure, this is otolith. This is the cavity of the otolith. Now, use the forceps to remove it. This is the otolith. And now another side. Now we are only left with the vertebrae. For vertebrae, we have to make the incision behind the gills. And make the incision longitudinally parallel to the lateral line. And one incision here. For its removal. The first 4 to 5 or 6 vertebrae are generally preferred for age determination. Remove the extra muscles. And the next and the left will be removed during the processing. All right then, we are done with the collection of the hardest anatomical structures. In the next video, I will be demonstrating you about its preparation and examination for the age determination. Thank you.